Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about the University of Ghent scholarship program in Belgium. That is a fully funded program for the year of 2022. One more general knowledge information I usually share with you. That is the capital of Belgium is Brussels. So let's have a look. Ghent University Scholarship in Belgium offers fully funded opportunity to study in Belgium. Scholars from all around the world apply for Ghent University Scholarship. Practical experience in a diverse community that consists of scholars, allowing them to become valued members of the community. Ghent University, located in the north of the interested in assisting university and research center in developing countries south to set themselves up as excellent research center by upgrading local academic personnel. A PhD scholars of 24 months is being offered by Ghent University to promising PhD students from a number of southern countries which wish to conduct 50% of their PhD research at the university the north and 50% of its selected southern country with the international PhD scholarship in 2022. Potential PhD students can begin their career worldwide and make a serious impact on their respective field. About Ghent University Scholarship in Belgium. In exchange for the Sandwich Scholarship, the candidate will be able to complete their PhD at Ghent University for 24 months within the span of 48 months. During the 24-month period of the scholarship, it is mandatory that the scholarship holder spends a minimum of 2 months in Ghent, one at the beginning of the program and one near the end of the program. During the period when the scholarship holder is working at Ghent University will provide the scholarship holder with a monthly allowance. The remainder of the PhD research will be conducted at the Proton University in the south, for which no financials will be provided. Brief description about this scholarship program. The location is Belgium, the university is Ghent University, and the program is PhD scholarship program. The duration is 24 months, and the deadline to apply for this PhD scholarship program is 1st February 2022. The benefits of Ghent University scholarship in Belgium: €310 will be paid monthly to the scholarship promoter as the scholarship tuition. In addition to the award, Ghent University promoter, local promoters and students will also receive €8,000 for operational cost. The eligibility criteria of Ghent University scholarship in Belgium: applicant from developing countries must be considered. Candidate, Ghent University promoter and the South University promoter must submit a joint proposal. Researchers should focus on development related topics. Ghent University is seeking applicant for its joint PhD program. Preference will be given to female students. The deadline is 1st February 2022. How to apply for this Ghent University scholarship in Belgium? So go to the official link. So here. So you have to fill the form. So let's have a look on here. Call an application form. So for the candidate, this is the application form. You have to download it. So guys, this is the application form. You have to print it and you have to fill it. The Special Research and Fund Announcement 2022 of Doctoral grant for candidates from developing countries, South-North Sandwich type grants. So guys, you have to fill all the information here to apply for this Ghent University scholarship program in PhD. This whole application form you have to fill it, and after that, filling that application form, how to apply for the scholarship. Application form must be submitted in English, electronically via email. You have to simply put all your information in that application form, and after that you have to simply email on this address: bofapplication@universityofghent.b.bv. So you have to simply email your application form on this email address. And one more thing, alongside the application form, the Ghent University supervisor must also submit the following 2 documents: an advice on the candidates stating the supervisor's opinion on the capability of the candidate as a future researcher, and advice on the ethical and biosafety context of the proposed research project. And the result of scholarship selection is from 18 May 2022 onward. The result of selection will be announced online. This is the whole process that I share with you. Now it's up to you. If you are eligible for this scholarship program, then guys, don't waste your time. You have still almost 1 month to apply for this scholarship program. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also share this with your friend circle, those who are eligible and those who are needy for scholarships. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.